Hello folks, we are once again back with this exercise 7.6 and we are now in the 11th problem. Earlier we have finished till the problem number 10. Now let's see what this 11th problem says. It says that you have to find the integral of x cos inverse x over root of 1 minus x squared. So it's very clear to us that as such at one go we'll not be able to do it because there are too many functions here. So there is going to be a substitution that we are going to use by which we can make the integral a little more manageable, and then we will go in for the integration by parts. So the substitution that we would be using is let t be cos inverse x. Let's see how it goes. If t is cos inverse x, when you take the derivative, it will be minus 1 over root of 1 minus x squared. So that will take care of these two functions, and that way the integral will become a little more manageable. If t is cos inverse x, x is cos t. Sometimes you will require sin t also. So it's very clear to us that sin t is going to be, because sin t is always root of 1 minus cos square t, like that it is going to be root of 1 minus x square. All this we will require in the integral. Now let's come back to the integral with this derivative. Cos inverse x is t, and dx will go there. Dx over root of 1 minus x squared can become minus dt, and x is there, x will become cos t. So therefore your integral is negative t cos t dt. Now this is our usual stuff, because this is your algebraic function and this is your trigonometric function. According to our ILATE, we have algebraic coming first and trigonometric coming later. So let us get the u and v now. So let u be what is it? U is going to be algebraic, which is t, and let v be the trigonometric, which is cos t. So like that, in du over dt is going to be 1, and integral of v dt is going to be minus, integral is plus sin t. So like that, now let's come back to the integral, which is u integral v dt minus du over dt integral of v dt the whole dt. And let's put in all the values that we have got. So we have got now the u as t and the integral v dt as sin t. And then we have, whether I have taken care of the sign. I is negative. Just see. I is going to be negative. So everywhere we have to have this minus, and this will become plus. This is minus, this will become plus. Du over dt is 1 and b dt is sin t. So therefore this is negative t sin t plus integral of sin t we all know is minus cos t plus c. But these are t's, which is our creation. So we have to come back to the x. So t for us is what? It's cos inverse x, and sin t is root of 1 minus x squared, minus cos t is x. Let's see, that's all. But remains to check. Let me check if everything is fine, and then we can declare this as the answer. Where is it? Perfect. So that's about it. But then this little place is a little clumsy for the 12th problem. So maybe with the 12th problem we can meet in the next video. So that's all for this video. The next is also going to be simpler. Let me see if we can accommodate. Let me check. X sec squared x. Okay, then maybe we can accommodate it here. I is integral of x sec square x dx. Let me check the question once again. It is x sec squared x, and same thing like what we did before. This is algebraic, this is trigonometric. So we can assign our u and v right away. So your u is going to be x and your v is going to be sec squared x. Always we will do du over dx. So that is the derivative of x, which is 1, and integral of v dx is going to be integral of sec squared x, which is tan x. So we are done with all this. Now let's move to the integral formula. So as we already know, I is in u integral v dx minus du over dx integral v dx whole dx. So therefore u for us is x, integral v dx is tan x, and du over dx is 1, that's good, and then integral v dx is tan x, it's tan x dx. Now x tan x of course remains as it is, and integral of tan x we have learned that it is log sec x. So let's substitute it as minus log sec x plus c. That's your answer. If you want the minus log sec x, you can call it as log cos x. Why? Because sec x is 1 over cos x. So it will become log 1 minus log cos x and so on. So like that it can become plus log cos x. That way also you can do. But otherwise this is the answer. So it's x tan x minus, oh, also I need to verify it. Yeah, x tan x minus log sec x, log modulus sec x plus c. But as I told you, sec x, because it is 1 over cos x, you can make that conversion, and finally it will come to x tan x plus log cos x, because log of a over b is log a minus log b and so on. But as of now, this is the answer. That's all for this video. With more problems, we can meet in the next video. As I always tell, please popularize the channel, spread a word, see that there are more viewers to our channel, and we get more watch time for the channel, we get more subscribers, and the channel becomes popular because of your efforts. Thank you.